warning everyone to stay off the roads, both for their safety and, of course, to help with snow clearing efforts.
News 8's Ken Pierce live for us on the shoreline in Milford with details on that. And Kent, I can see conditions bad where you are. I hope people are staying off the roads in that area.
It certainly seems like they are, and they certainly should. And the wind just picked up immensely in the past couple of minutes here, too. So it has gotten significantly worse very quickly here, just as Gil is predicting. You can't expect the conditions to remain the same for very long out here. I can barely see with the snow coming in my eyes here. But I can tell you, please stay home. The only thing that the state officials say is tougher than dealing with this blizzard is dealing with people who are stranded out in the blizzard. So that's why Governor Lamont has declared a state of emergency. He's banned commercial vehicles from the state's highways. It's also why he's asking everyone to stay off the roads if possible. Because think about how a plow crew finding a stranded car in the middle of I-95 that couldn't make it through snow this deep is going to mess up everything. He says messes up the whole snow removal plan.
That's the worst possible scenario. We need to be constantly moving and constantly putting traffic over that roadway and constantly using the plows, because if we stop, it accumulates, and then it's going to be like trying to move an iceberg.
The DOT has some 800 plows working this storm, trying to keep those roads clear, but they cannot keep up with this rate. State police, they've also got more troopers on the roads, taking ones who are usually on the desk, putting them out on the streets. Trying to help those stranded drivers as well. Now keep in mind, this is not like the previous storm. This is a heavy, wet snow, not the light, flaky stuff that we saw previously. This is the kind of snow where if you get into it, you very well might not be able to get out of it. Another thing we're watching here in Milford especially, that shoreline flooding. We've got winds, strong winds as I'm telling you, and that wind is blowing the water on land. So right along the shoreline there, they could have, we saw a high tide just a couple of hours ago, and we could see significant shoreline flooding as the morning goes on. All right, things are bad here in Milford. Let's see how they are in East Hartford.